and welcome to Railworks. My name is James, and today I want to say a big thank you for everyone again, because, well, if you may have noticed, I have gotten over 700 subscribers now. So again, I want to say a big thank you for everyone, every single one of you, because first of all, I want to say thank you for not only finding me interesting enough to watch, I want to thank you for also finding me interesting, good enough to subscribe and continue watching and supporting me. As I said, I'm always lost for words whenever I make these videos, but because I don't have a script this time. But yes, I want to say a big thank you for everyone. I cannot say how much it makes me happy to see that 700 people, actually 704 people by the time I make this video, have actually subscribed to me and like my content enough to say thank you. And I want to say a big shout out to my first supporter on Patreon. So thank you, Terry. Terry, that was it. So thank you, Terry, for supporting me on Patreon. And if anybody else wants to support me on there, I would love it, even if you just gave me £1. But that's up to you. You don't have to. But big thank you if you do. Even if you don't. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. But either way, thank you for everyone. Even if you don't give me any money, all you have to do is watch and just subscribe and all that lot. That still helps me. Thank you a lot. But main thing of I said this isn't going to be one of my big 700 specials, but I do want to do something for the occasion, which is doing a little small giveaway. It was suggested that I do a giveaway for my 700 subscriber special, which is I'm going to be giving away the Metcalfe Country Station building. This is just the main building. I've got the rest of it in a box ready to be wrapped up and all that lot. So this will be a small little giveaway. I know it's not made all that well, but for a beginner it's probably a good help to start off. So I'll pop that there and not damage it anymore, because I had to glue one of the chimneys back on. But but that'll be a little small giveaway. If you want to end the giveaway, there'll be hopefully a pinned comment down below this video. Enter write down your name or whatever, or just say I want to enter, and after a week I'll do a random thing on the computer and find out who wins, and then I'll contact you to let me know your your details and all that lot, so I can post the country station building and all that lot to you. And that's pretty much it for this video. I do want to mention what things I have got in the works. I'm still working on Gosport behind me, still working on Minstow Road, which would be up there, but I've currently got it under my bed because it's easier than taking it out, sticking back on there. So it's living underneath my bed at the moment. I have got some more kit builds that I'm working on. You saw I did the PD Master Sentinel, which was quite a nice one to do. That was quite fun. It was a bit fiddly, but it's still fun. I have got another kit working on as well, and I am working on some more of my own 3D printing projects as well, including one which I'm trying to print on my own printer, which is over there. I'll see how that goes. What else am I doing? I'm also gonna I've got some more reviews and other things as well, and it's also coming up to the end of the year, so I'll do a brief update of what my collection is like. So that's doing all well, and I'm not too sure how popular they are, but according to YouTube, they do seem to be popular. I am still going to be continuing my YouTube short series, so we'll see how that goes. That'll be for tomorrow, so it's only a little small video, so if people like it, they can watch it. It's easy to do them, so I hope everyone enjoys them. So yes, but I also have to plan on what I'm buying for my more kit builds and stuff like that, because I have to buy them in advance and then buy all the parts in advance and everything else in advance. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling on, because I've probably wasted 5 minutes of your time. So yes, again, a big thank you for everyone. thank you. I can't keep saying thank you enough. But again, thank you everyone. Thank you for supporting me. If you want to help support me more, it's my Patreon, which is linked below. That's if you want to. Even £1 will help me greatly. But adds up. And I said that's completely up to you. It's completely optional. I should stop saying completely. Oh well. Anyway, hope you enjoyed your day. If you didn't like the video, well, if you did like the video, feel free to like, favourite and subscribe. If you didn't like it, hope you enjoy your day, and I hope to see you again or next time. So take care, bye bye.